In Meridian, homeowners experience a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot summers to cooler, sometimes wet seasons. These changes can have a significant impact on a home's exterior, especially entry doors. As one of the most frequently used and exposed features of a home, entry doors must be able to handle temperature shifts, moisture, and daily wear while maintaining performance and appearance. Understanding how entry doors perform in Meridian's changing weather can help homeowners make informed decisions and protect their investment. One of the most important aspects of entry door performance is temperature resistance. During warmer months, direct sunlight and high temperatures can cause certain materials to expand or fade. In cooler seasons, materials may contract. High-quality entry doors are designed to handle these fluctuations without warping or cracking. Materials like fiberglass and steel are especially effective because they maintain their shape and structural integrity despite temperature changes, ensuring long-term reliability. Another key factor is energy efficiency. Entry doors play a major role in preventing heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. In Meridian's climate, this means keeping hot air outside during the summer and retaining warmth during cooler periods. Modern entry doors are built with insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures. When combined with proper sealing, these doors reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems, leading to improved comfort and lower energy bills. Moisture resistance is also critical in maintaining door performance. Rain and humidity can affect door materials over time, especially if they are not properly protected. Wood doors, for example, may absorb moisture and become prone to swelling or rot if not maintained. In contrast, fiberglass and steel doors are designed to resist moisture, making them a practical choice for Meridian homes. Proper sealing and finishing further protect the door from water damage and help maintain its appearance. Weather stripping is another essential component that supports door performance. This material lines the edges of the door and creates a tight seal when it is closed. In changing weather conditions, weather stripping prevents drafts, moisture, and debris from entering the home. Over time, it may wear out and need replacement, but when properly maintained, it significantly improves both comfort and efficiency. Wind resistance is also important, especially during storms or seasonal weather changes. A well-installed entry door with a secure frame and locking system can withstand strong winds and maintain a tight seal. This helps protect the interior of the home from sudden weather shifts and reduces the risk of damage. Another important performance factor is durability under daily use. Entry doors are opened and closed multiple times each day, and changing weather can add stress to hinges, locks, and other components. High-quality hardware and proper installation ensure that the door continues to operate smoothly, regardless of external conditions. Regular maintenance, such as lubricating hinges and checking alignment, helps extend the life of the door. Appearance is also affected by weather exposure. Sunlight, moisture, and temperature changes can cause fading or discoloration over time. Modern entry doors often include protective finishes that resist UV damage and maintain their color. This ensures that the door continues to enhance curb appeal even after years of exposure to the elements. Proper installation plays a crucial role in how well an entry door performs in Meridian's weather. A door that is not installed correctly may have gaps or misalignment, leading to drafts, leaks, and reduced efficiency. Professional installation ensures that the door fits securely within the frame, with proper sealing and insulation to handle changing conditions. Maintenance is another important aspect of long-term performance. Simple steps such as cleaning the door, inspecting seals, and addressing minor issues early can prevent more significant problems. Keeping the door in good condition helps it continue to perform well and withstand environmental stress. In conclusion, entry doors in Meridian must be built and installed to handle a range of weather conditions. From temperature changes and moisture exposure to wind and daily use, these factors all impact performance. By choosing durable materials, ensuring proper installation, and maintaining the door regularly, homeowners can enjoy reliable performance, improved energy efficiency, and lasting curb appeal. A well-performing entry door not only protects the home but also enhances comfort and value throughout the year.